Ecology is a scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their physical environment. The place where these interactions occur is called the biosphere. The biosphere consists of all life on Earth and all parts of the Earth in which life exists. In the biosphere, we have species. A species is a group of similar organisms that can breed and produce fertile offspring. A population is a group of individuals that belong to the same species and live in the same area. A community is an assemblage of different populations that live together in a defined area. All the organisms that live in a place together with their physical environment is known as an ecosystem. A biome is a group of ecosystems that share similar climates and a typical organism. The objective factors are all the physical components of an ecosystem. Examples of abiotic factors are rocks, water, and temperature. A biotic factor is the biological influences on organisms. Examples of biotic factors are animals and plants. Primary producers are the first producers of energy-rich compounds that are later used by other organisms. The primary producers are autotrophs, and an autotroph is an organism that can produce their own food. The autotroph uses two processes to make the food. The processes are the photosynthesis and chemiosynthesis. In photosynthesis, captures light energy and uses it to power chemical reactions that convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and energy-rich carbohydrates such as sugars and starches. Chemiosynthesis is the biological conversion of one or more carbon-containing and nutrients into organic matter using the oxidation of inorganic compounds. Consumers are organisms that rely on other organisms for energy and nutrients. The types of consumers are carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, scavengers, decomposers, and detritivores. Carnivores kill and eat other animals. Herbivores eat plant leaves, roots, seeds, or fruits. Scavengers consume carcasses of other animals that are already dead. Omnivores are animals that can eat meat and plants. Decomposers feed by chemically breaking down organic matter. Detritivores feed on detritus particles, often chewing or grinding them into smaller pieces. A food chain is a series of steps in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten. A food web is the natural interconnection of food chains of what eats what in an ecological community. Ecological pyramids are divided in trophic levels, and each shows the relative amount of energy in a food chain or web. Elements pass from one animal to another and among parts of the biosphere are called biochemical cycles. Water continually moves between the oceans, atmosphere, and land, sometimes outside of living organisms and sometimes inside them. Nutrients pass through organisms and the environment through biochemical cycles. A limiting nutrient is the nutrient whose supply limits productivity.